DocuClipper turns PDF bank statements into QuickBooks Online entries in 3 minutes. Let me show you, using a sample bank statement we have ready in the demo. On the right, you can see every transaction has been extracted from the PDF. Date, description, debit, credit, and running balance. The PDF preview on the left is the original statement, so you can spot check any row against the source. DocuClipper validates the extraction against the printed running balance. If a transaction is missing or misread, it gets flagged before you ever open Excel or QuickBooks. When you're happy with the data, click Download Data in the top right. You'll see options for Excel, CSV, QBO for QuickBooks Online, IIF for QuickBooks Desktop, and more. Pick the QBO format. That gives you a Web Connect file QuickBooks Online accepts directly through its banking upload flow. Switch over to QuickBooks Online, open the banking section, choose Upload Transactions, and select the file you just downloaded. QuickBooks matches each row against your chart of accounts. You accept or recategorize, and you're done. What used to take an hour of typing now takes under 3 minutes. Link in the description for a free trial. No credit card needed. If this helped, a like helps other accountants find the video.